Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Dollfigure. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the doll gang. So today I am going to be doing a video on how to crimp your hair. And there are a few things that you're going to need for this video. So let me go ahead and get right into that. So the first item I have here is our Garnier Fructis Style Flat Iron Protector. We're going to be using heat today, and this is going to be a heat protectant to apply to your hair. The second thing that you are also going to be needing is a serum to make your hair shine. This is also in the Garnier Fructis brand, and this has avocado, olive, and almond oils. So this is also what I'm going to be using for my hair to make my hair shine. When you do apply heat to your hair, it sometimes can become a little bit brittle. The silkiness is taken away sometimes. So to avoid that, I have this on deck. So very good product. The next thing I have here is going to be my Got To Be Glue Blast Spray, and I'm going to be applying this on my hair before I apply the crimpers so that this can give my hair a good long-lasting hold and to keep the style in place. You're also going to need a comb, and I do have this little ragtail comb. You're also going to need a detangler brush. I do use this throughout this style when I'm doing my hair. It's honestly a habit. I like to brush through my hair, even if it's not tangled. So just make sure that you have a detangler brush if you would like to use the same method that I'm using for this hairstyle. So lastly, we have our hair crimper. And as you guys can see, she's smoking hot. I did preheat this for the video, and I didn't pay a lot of money for this. I believe I paid about like $20 for this hair crimper. I got this at my local beauty supply store, and the brand for this hair crimper is Hot and Hotter. So if you guys want to use this hair crimper, make sure you guys look for that brand, Hot and Hotter. Now on this hair crimper, it does start at 280 degrees and goes all the way up to 430 degrees. So that's pretty hot. I purchased this hair from Vanessa Weavepro along with her 5x5 HD lace closure, which is bomb as hell, you guys. Like, I love her hair. So that is all the items that I have here for today for this hairstyle. Let's jump right into this video and get this hair styled. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like comb my hair out, and I'm going to take part of the 20-inch lace closure hair, and I am going to spray some of my heat protecting spray on this. We're gonna let that sit for a little bit. Now that that's kind of dried down, we're gonna go ahead and take our Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray and spray it. Take our crimper. You hear that sizzling? And we're gonna leave it on there for about a couple seconds. You can either like bend it inward or hold it outward. Either way, you need a good grip so that it can hold in place. Then we're going to, boom, next section. See that? Then I'm gonna just get my little end piece. Hold it there. Boom. And that's the crimp, you guys. Came out cute. And we're gonna do that all the way around. So let me go ahead and do another few pieces. Again, we're going to spray the heat protectant. Let that dry down a little bit. And it dries pretty quickly. Spray some Got To Be. Kind of comb that through, comb that on in there. Crimper this piece and start crimp. And I'm pulling it towards me to kind of keep that crimp indent in there. And again, we're gonna hold this for a few seconds. Go down to the next one. And if you guys are wondering what I'm looking at, I do also have another mirror right here aside from the camera mirror. So just want to make sure I'm doing this right. I have a good look at what I'm doing. I don't burn myself. All that good stuff. Alrighty, so we have 2 crimps going, and once we get this going all around, you guys will see how good it looks. So I am going to turn on some music for you guys, so enjoy this video, doll. I can't wait to show you what the end result looks like.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, it's in action. These days, no, my yeah. Niggas be blasting, living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die.
Okay ladies, so this is how it looks with just this side being crimped. And as you can see, these are beautiful, so nice, down to the tips, no tangling. Vanessa's hair is amazing, so bomb. You're almost done.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey. Told me about all your insecurities, for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house, for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around, for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah.
Alright dolls, so we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned in for this quick and easy beginner's tutorial on how to crimp your hair. If you guys love this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the dog gang. And also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell that's in the corner so that you guys can be notified on when she will be posting more videos just like this. So dolls, as I always say, until next time, stay fabulous, and I will see you dolls in my next video. Period. Bye dolls.